Cybersecurity doesn't have to be complex and confusing. Just treat your computer the same way you treat your dream car. The first thing we would want for our cars is to be safe and reliable. We don't want them to break down, and we don't want them to get into an accident. There are more than 7 million car accidents in the United States each year, and almost 50,000 people die in those collisions annually. So cars come with an incredible number of safety features: seat belts, anti-lock brakes, crash sensors, airbags, roll cages, safety glasses. They have lane change warnings, tire pressure sensors, mirrors, brake lights, accident monitoring. Adaptive cruise control will actually slow you down if you get too close to the car in front of you. Your wipers will come on automatically if it starts to rain. Your lights will come on automatically when it gets dark. If you think about it, most of the features of a car are actually safety features. And even with all those safety features, you still buckle up and you still drive carefully so that nothing bad happens to your new car. But what about reliability? If your dream car breaks down, are you going to go to YouTube video to fix it yourself? No. Are you going to go to AutoZone and pick up the cheapest replacement parts you can find? Or are you going to take a class and become a certified mechanic so you can take care of your dream car? Yeah, probably not. You're going to go to a certified mechanic who specializes in this particular type of car. Remember, cybersecurity doesn't have to be complex and confusing. Just treat your computer the same way you treat your dream car. Safety and reliability. You want your computers to run smoothly. You want your email systems to be reliable. You don't want downtime on your servers. And just like with your car, you definitely don't want your systems to crash. So you hire a competent, trustworthy IT service provider, just like you would take your car to a certified mechanic.